Want to connect with anyone, anywhere. Let's unlock global communication by learning how to make international calls using Twilio. First, head over to Twilio.com and either log in or sign up for a new account. New accounts often come with free credits you can use to test international calling. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Twilio Console. This is where you'll manage your account settings, phone numbers, and API credentials. If you don't already have one, you'll need a Twilio phone number. Click on Get a Trial Phone Number. Make note of the phone number for later. Now, find Geo Permissions under the settings in your console here. You'll enable the countries you want to call. Search for the specific country you plan to call, like United Kingdom, and activate it. Next, let's dive into the code. You'll need to use the Twilio Programmable Voice API to initiate the call. This involves using your account SID and auth token, which you can find on your console dashboard. In your code, you'll need to specify your Twilio phone number as the caller ID and the international phone number you're calling. Being sure to include the country code, you'll also use your account SID and auth token to connect to Twilio's API. With the Geo Permissions enabled and your code properly configured, you're all set to make international calls. Remember to handle potential errors and stay within Twilio's pricing guidelines for different countries. Now you can connect with customers, colleagues, or loved ones across the globe.